Hey guys, today is May the 1st of 2016. I'm going to go over the US dollar using price and time technical analysis, so please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. On my video archives on January the 5th of 2016, I put a video out forecasting that the dollar would put a high or would have a turning point somewhere between, I was assuming it was going to put a high because it was trending higher, but as you can see it didn't put a high, but my turning point calculation was that it was going to turn somewhere in March, either the first week, second week, or the third week. So I went ahead, you can look at the video, and put these points here and left them there, these white lines, just to indicate that this is where I was thinking the turning point would happen. And January 5th was somewhere around right here this week. So my calculations and logic was that it was going to trend higher and somehow either put a new high or continue going up here, maybe go to 102.45, or maybe push higher and then somewhere around here or here turn and start the correction and start the downturn. But it didn't happen. The highs for the US dollar is really the March the 9th, and this second high, which was a failed high, of November the 30th on a weekly chart. The dollar was losing strength because it couldn't keep up with the momentum of the 1x1, which is a 45-degree angle right here. And mind you, this is the Gann grid. For those that have watched already my pound dollar, this is exactly what I do, and I do it at the bigger time frames. And this is kind of my blueprint map for where the dollar could possibly go, and it's already showing me weakness. I am short right here at 96.17. Yes, I do trade futures also. So we're at a key pivotal level right now. The euro looks like it wants to break out. You know, you do this inverse, it looks like it wants to break out to the upside. A lot of the pairs against the dollar look like are getting stronger. I don't know for all of them, but I know for the euro and the pound are getting stronger. And we shall see. But as of right now, I'm short. Sometimes when you do calculations, sometimes they don't pan out. There could be other factors, other variables changing the outcome. But nonetheless, this calculation that I had kept me on the right track. It would have been nice to be short here or here. As you can see, if you go back, just to kind of look at the good things about the Gann grid. Let's see if I can take this off. Highs and low bubble. This was the 87.5 level in time, and it looks like May 5th was the low of 2014, and it looked like it just shot up like a boomerang, and it just wanted to like get up to here before the Gann grid ended right here, which is that March 23rd, around there. And then if you look from that week of March 16, the candle, all the way to that March 23rd candle, that was the same time period here, a year later, and it failed at the 12.5% right here. So it failed the 1x1. As this new cycle started on the weekly chart, you can see that it was attempting to continue to fail, and then within time and price of the grid, this is a confirmation with other calculations I do, that the turning point was going to start here. I was hoping it would be a higher high here so I could short it, but you know, I didn't get all this because I was thinking it was going to go higher. So I got in here, and so far it's panning out. We took out this low here So it's showing some weakness. It could bounce right back up this week and continue going higher, maybe test this again. But I'm hoping that, and my calculations are correct, it's going to continue going lower. We got this support right here, which is that 95.52. I'm sure it's probably going to test this, and if it finds support, it's going to have to deal with some resistance now here. But if it takes this out, the next line of support, we're really close right here, is at 92.89. If it fails that on the weekly, chances are it could find support to 91.70, and if it continues trending, it's going to kiss the 37.5% level, which is that 89.89 right here. So I'm thinking maybe this could be a nice little target if it doesn't find support within these angles right here. A good place to cover or tighten stops and just keep it close. But I'm gonna my expectation is this is gonna go down. So I just want to give you a quick update on the US dollar, where we're at in regards to the Gann grid, and keep an eye on this, because if this thing just takes out this with momentum and speed like this weekly candle, it could push lower. And for Forex pairs, they're gonna get stronger. Crude, the metals, and some of the pairs on the Forex against the US dollar. Hope this helps. Keep you posted, and make some pips.